Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: can you pair the left and right earbuds to two devices simultaneously? You cannot pair your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with the second device. But these earbuds have dual connection, so you can connect two devices to your earbuds simultaneously. But you need to enable it, so you need to open EDIFIER Connect application. Of course, you need to add these earbuds to the app. Then go to the settings at the right top and go to Multipoint connection here. And enable it here. Also, you can listen to music with one earphone. If you need it, you can remove only one earbud from the charging case or put only one to the charging case, then close the case and use the second one. And to prove it for you, we can go to the settings and then Bluetooth, and as you can see, we still have connection. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!